How's it going, everybody? This is Shady of Shady Horror back with a watch and review that is random as fuck. Just random as shit on a Saturday morning. I don't even know if this is gonna upload. We'll see. But this one right here is called Shimmer, a light so bright it kills on sight. Let's go ahead and get into the synopsis of this. Forensic scientist Dr. Thea Kate is called to a bizarre crime scene by baffled detective Kurt Blass. What she thought was the scene of a murder turns out to be something more terrifying. The body of the victim is devoid of all moisture and looks like broken glass. The victim's widow claims the killer is in the light. Soon deaths are stacking up and the pressure is on for Dr. Thea Kate to unearth the truth. It becomes apparent that the true hunter is shimmering in the light. Okay, so this is Shimmer from the year 2021, and this is a Dollar Tree find, and it is put out by Echo Bridge Entertainment. So, this is a Blu-ray I randomly picked up from a Dollar Tree quite some time ago. I have quite the collection, and so many I haven't watched yet, so I kind of separate them to basically put on my extensive to watch list. This film I randomly grabbed to watch as the internet at the place here today was down. So I threw this one on early Saturday morning after I woke up thinking I would just fall back asleep. It's cold outside, snowing outside here in Colorado, and of course the internet's down. So I'm like, you throw in a Blu-ray, whatever, go back to sleep. I do collect and have every genre of film, and knowing really nothing about this movie, it's pretty much, you guessed it, a horror flick. It's a low budget B movie, but it had its little bit of charm to it. I had my coffee and watched it in its entirety. Now, this is a detective film, but it's kind of a strange creature feature at the same time. Is it mystery? Yeah, but just enough of like a sci-fi movie channel vibe. I thought I would cover it here. Why not? There is a strange light going around killing people that pretty much turns them into glass. It for sure is cheesy, and it for sure has the CGI effects of a sci fi channel or direct to streaming movie. After about 15 to 20 minutes, though, I was just like, okay, well, let's see where this shit goes. It has a decent, fun vibe once it gets rolling. Now, this will not be for everyone, but if you do enjoy those sci fi movie channel type flicks with a bit of a throwback feel, you may have some fun with this. It's got some funny moments and actually gets a bit more serious in tone as the film progresses. It does have that cool tagline, too: a light so bright it kills on sight. It has a runtime of 1 hour and 19 minutes, so it's a fairly quick watch, which for this works because it doesn't overstay its welcome. The Blu ray itself does look good. It is shot well, and once you get used to how the CGI looks, you just gotta roll with it. Not gory or bloody. Remember, this light or light creature pretty much, you know, going around turning people into glass. Kind of some possession shit at times, kind of mixes a few genres, I would say. The body count is pretty good in here. The light stays busy for sure, going around. Cheesy? Yes. Goofy? Yes. Fun? You know? Yeah. The acting varies from bad to better to good. It's an odd combination. I laughed a few times, but underneath that is a crazier story here as well. The dynamic between the main character and her husband was for sure different, and I was like, huh? What? There's a bit of a twist and backstory that ties that up as well. This was a good Saturday morning watch as I drank my coffee while the internet was down. So, bam, random Dollar Tree movie time. I wouldn't spend no big bucks on this blue, and that's for sure. But if you find the Blu-ray at your local Dollar Tree, pick it up, and hey, it entertained me for an hour and some minutes. This is a Blu-ray slash DVD release, and honestly, sometimes I used to just pick these up at Dollar Tree just to have an extra case, you know. The 2 disc blue case is worth $1 and some change by itself, at least to me it is. This was a cheesy film that got a bit better as it progressed, heavy on the Sci-Fi Channel movie vibe, a light going around killing people by turning them into glass. I was expecting to fall back asleep, but watched the whole movie. It was entertaining. Okay, everybody, this has been Shay D, back with the quickness here. I don't think I've ever uploaded, well, I guess I take that back. During my 31 days of horror, it's tough to watch all those movies. But being it was cold outside, I grabbed this random movie and gave it a viewing, and I guess it was, horror element enough to throw up for a quick video of my thoughts on this. I hope everybody's doing good out there. It's cold out here, and as of now, the internet is still down, but I have my good old trusty phone, and we'll see if this uploads to YouTube. Stay good, everybody. I will see y'all soon. I'll probably be back on the Stephen King horror movie flick kick. This, today, random as fuck, was Shimmer.